Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Raiha Firdaus bin Aswad. My metric number is 18 DEV21F1041. So today I will present about what is the performance management and what is appraisal. So basically, performance management is the process of identifying, measuring, managing and developing the performance of the worker. Measure that can measure the ability of the worker. So what is the appraisal? Appraisal is the process of evaluating the employee performance that measure the actual performance on regular basis, that reviewing for the past performance of the worker. So next slide, I will explain about the benefit of performance management and appraisal. So number one is encourage quality performance by rewarding those doing well. So the boss should give their workers a reward for the workers that doing their job well. Next is improve current performance by giving the worker feedback. Like when the workers have done their job, the boss should give the feedback so them can improve their work. So next is identifying the training needs. So the boss must identify the training that the workers need so they can improve their skill and improve their works. And next is initiate fair disciplinary and proceeding, and the last one is provide a channel of communication, like managers and sub coordinator. They should have the communications. Thank you. That's all.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rafiq Aiman bin Ramli. My metric number 18DEV21F1013. Today I want to present about factors influencing individual employee performance. First, the factor of influencing individual employee performance is knowledge and skill. The second one is motivation, and the third one is work environment. Next, I want to talk about the component of performance management system. First, the component of performance management system is the preparation of organization plan. The second one is the implementation of work and monitoring. The third one is the appraisal. And the last of a component performance management system is follow-up. Next, I want to share about performer appraisal. Performer appraisal have a 7 appraisal. The first one is reason effect. What is the reason effect? Ignore the earlier work, just take for a prior time. And the second one is halo effect. What is a halo effect? Halo effect is a highly rate to someone they like. The third one is a central and leniency. Rate all sub-coordinate, average, higher and low. Prejudice, whole negative opinions. And the last one is fatigue. Rate based on fatigue or blur judgment.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Dini Bushra bin Muhammad Azhar. My metric number is 18DEV21F1003. Today I will talk about appraisal method. Appraisal method have 3. First is comparative method. Second is trade rating scales. Third is essay technique. First, comparative method. Easy to administer and tied to rewards, but may not provide information to help employees improve their performance. Second, trade rating scales. Rating scales can be used to measure personality, traits, behavior, or output. Third is essay technique. Appraisers may be asked to write down answers to certain open-ended questions about the performance of their subordinate. Next, I will talk about review the subordinate. First is correction action training or performance firing. Correction subordinate performance involves addressing issue through training, coaching, or counseling. If improvement does not occur despite corrective measures, termination may be considered, following proper procedures and offering support. Second is reward and recognition. Recognizing and rewarding subordinate performance involves acknowledging achievement through tangible rewards like bonus and promotion, along with verbal praise. These practices are crucial for motivating employees and creating a positive work environment. Next, I will talk about frequency of appraisal. First is most companies appraise the performance of workers who are completing a probationary period. Companies differ in how often they appraise workers completing a probationary period. Some assess monthly or quarterly for closer monitoring, while others stick to standard annual or biannual cycles. The choice depends on company policies, industry norms, and the specific needs of the probationary evaluation process. Second is mid-year review. A mid-year review is a halfway point assessment in the annual review cycle, offering a chance to evaluate progress, discuss goals, address challenge, and provide timely feedback for more effective performance management. Third is annual appraisals. Annual appraisals are yearly performance assessment by employers, evaluating achievements, strengths, and areas for improvements. These reviews include feedback, goal setting, and discussion about career development.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Raja Muhammad Nabi Mifzal. My metric number 18DEV 21F1035. So today I will present about parties involved in performance appraisal. First is the parties. First point is co-worker, your work buddy. They provide feedback on teamwork, interpersonal skill, and general behavior. Next is manager, like boss. The boss evaluate your daily performance, give feedback, and decide on things like promotion and raise based on your performance. Next is subordinate. If you are manager, your team member, they provide feedback on your leadership style and impact on the team. Last is customer or client. If your job involve interacting with customer or client, they might share opinion on how well you meet their needs and expectation. Last, other party depend on your job and company, collaborate from project or different company department may provide input on your performance. Okay, next I will talk about navigating imperfection, enhance fairness and accuracy in performance appraisal system. For first point, because the process of appraisal is human, is also imperfect. The process is about perception a supervisor, perception of an employee performance, and the employee's perception of the accuracy and fairness of the process. In essence, the sentence conveys that the human element in the appraisal process make it inherently imperfect. The process revolves around subjective perception, including the supervisor's view of the employee performance and the employee's perception of the process fairness and accuracy. Next, appraisal system must be developed which minimize appraisal bias as far as possible. The sentence emphasizes the need to design appraisal system that minimize appraisal bias to the greatest extent possible. Last, appraisal must be based on accurate information about the worker's performance which can be obtained from a variety of sources. The sentence underscores the importance of basing appraisal on accurate information about an employee's performance obtained from diverse sources. Yeah, that's all. Okay, last slide is bias in performance appraisal. First is recent effect, ignore early work, just take for appraisal time. The statement highlight a bias in performance appraisal known as the recency effect, where early work is disregarded and only recent performance is considered during the appraisal process. Next is halo effect, highly rate to someone they like. The sentence point to the halo effect bias in performance appraisal, where individuals are consistently given high rating simply because the appraiser has a positive overall opinion of them. Third is central leniency, strictness, rate all subcoordinate, average higher, low. The center refers to the bias of the central tendency, leniency, and strictness in performance appraisal. This bias involves consistently rating all sub-coordinators as average higher or lower respectively, regardless of individual performance variation. Fourth is prejudice and stereotyping. Whole negative opinion. The sentence highlight biases in performance appraisal related to prejudice and stereotyping, where individual may hold negative opinion based on preconceived notion or stereotypes about certain group. Last is fatigue, red based on fatigue or blur judgment. The sentence suggests a bias in performance appraisal related to fatigue, where individual may be rated based on tiredness or blur judgment, potentially impacting the accuracy and fairness of the assessment. Okay, thank you.